Good morning, students. Let us begin with the Python programming in a proper format. We will do only one question today and one assignment for you. First question which we are solving here now is write a Python program to accept base and height of a triangle from the user and display its area. We already know the area of a triangle is half into base into height. So for a triangle, to find the area, we require two things, base and height. We will not fix up the values. Let the user enter the value. So the first line which we have written here is base is equals to float, input, enter the base. Now we are using two functions together in the same line. One by one we will just understand what is it. Base is a variable in which the value will be assigned. Equal to is a assignment operator, and on the right hand side we have used two functions. One is the outer function float, inner function input. First of all, inner function will be used. What we have written, enter the base. Enter the base is a prompt which will be displayed on the output window, that is on the screen. Until and unless user enters the value, it will not proceed further. So it will wait for the user to enter the value. Once user has entered the value, then outer function will be used. And what we have written, float. What it will do? It will convert the string value into the float. Now what was the requirement to convert the string value? Because whatever input gives you, it gives you in the form of the string, and on string calculations are not at all allowed. So the first and the foremost thing we have to do is we have to do the conversion of string to the float. Now why we have used float here? Any idea? We can use int also. What is the requirement of float? We can have a look on the formula. Formula says area is equals to half into base into height. The result will come in the decimal points. It is 0.5. So it is better to take float. When we are sure that answer will come in the integers, then we use int. Otherwise we generally use float. Second line is the similar explanation. Height is the variable. Equal to is your assignment operator. On the right hand side, same two functions. Input, enter the height will be executed first, and then whatever the value user has entered will be converted into float. Now these two values are ready with us. When these two values are ready, third is calculation. How to calculate? With the help of the formula. So we are creating one more variable, and the name of the variable is area. Area is equals to, we have written the formula, half into base into height. After writing the formula, calculations will be done. On the right hand side we have expression, not the constant value. So first calculations will be done and the answer will be stored in the variable area. It's the time to print the result. With the help of which function? Print function. So the last line of the program we are writing here, print in the brackets area of a triangle is, it is a constant value, comma, it will be displayed as it is, area is a variable. Variable is not enclosed in double quotes or single quotes because we want its value to be disclosed or to be displayed. Now just have a look on the output area. Just below the program, enter the base. It is a prompt which will be waiting for us. Suppose user has entered 45. Enter the height. User has entered 12. How the output will be displayed? Area of a triangle is. It will be displayed as it is. And then after colon is the part of the prompt. You can have a look on the print statement once again. Print area of a triangle is. We have colon after that. and it is in the double quotes, so it will be printed as it is. After comma, area, calculated area will be there, answer will be there, result will be there. So 270.0 is the result. One question you have understood? Now one question for your homework. You will be solving it on your own. The question which I am giving you here is, write a Python program to accept length and breadth of the rectangle from the user and calculate its area and perimeter. You have to calculate two things. Instead of one thing, you have to calculate two things now. Area and perimeter. Formulas are already given here. Area is equals to length into breadth. Perimeter is equals to 2 into length plus breadth. So all the best for your programming.